Welcome everyone to another episode of This Week in AI. I've got a lot of interesting stuff to discuss with you this week, so without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so what's new in the AI space? Well, for starters, if you are a fan of lumalabs, you'll be happy to hear that the team behind it has finally added the ability to control the camera within your prompts. See, most AI tools allow you to manipulate the camera to some extent, but the results can vary greatly. Now with Luma 1.6, you can now have precise control over the unruly camera system. And as a frequent user of Luma myself, I can say that this addition is very welcomed, because adding any kind of camera movement to your creations was incredibly difficult. And by looking at all of the comments from the community, a lot of people seem to really enjoy this new addition. Now with Luma adding new features, the race for the best AI video generation tool is still ongoing, but it's nice to see Luma fighting for its place. Now the next tool is for all the developers out there. Let me introduce you to Anthropic Quickstarts. Anthropic Quickstarts is essentially a collection of pre-built projects that are designed to help developers rapidly deploy applications using the Anthropic API. One thing to keep in mind is this quick start is not an easy button. These projects are more like templates that provide a good starting point for developers. That way you don't have to start from absolute scratch. Now the question is, how useful is this quick start? Like how soon can I go from nothing to something that I can actually deploy? Now that all really depends on the community, and I'll be checking back to see how it turns out. Next, we have CourseHero. Yes, CourseHero. The online learning platform that has been around since about 2006. Like everyone else, CourseHero has added AI to its platform. So CourseHero was already a powerhouse in the learning space, and now it just got a massive upgrade with AI. Now you can provide documents that are relevant to your learning journey to CourseHero, and in minutes you'll have an AI teacher that is ready to help you learn. So it's fantastic that the guys over at CourseHero decided to actually get with the times, add AI, and stay relevant. So now you can learn even better. Finally, let's dive into the Twitter space with Grok-2. Now Grok is the AI language model by xAI. Grok-2 is currently in beta at the moment, and it's already turning heads with its image generation and lack of censorship. Along with AI generation, Grok also pulls data from posts on X. So you can search for a topic and immediately get a response back with the related with the related X post. In my opinion, the lack of censorship for the image generation is a huge plus, because most platforms currently on the market won't let you generate art that has something illicit, or just something that's a hot topic, like politics or things of that nature. I, for one, will be looking to see how far Elon takes Grok, because with the speed of which the developments are coming, this is going to be huge. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the latest Grok news. Now for this next session. So to start things off, I have a question. Do you have a smart home? Or maybe you just have some smart devices like Alexa? Well, if that's the case, you'll be happy to hear that Amazon is finally looking to revamp Alexa, and it's going to be powered by Anthropic's Claude AI models. Codename, Remarkable. Of course it is, right? Anyway, Remarkable is looking to provide some interactive and intuitive user experiences. So they plan on doing this by improving the way that Alexa handles your complex queries and conversations, so it doesn't sound so wooden. Now, all this sounds good, but here's the bad stuff, because of course there's bad stuff. This will be offered as a premium service over the free service that we're used to. So Alexa gets an upgrade, but she also gets a price hike. Honestly, it's a bold strat, and let's see how it pays off for them. The launch of Remarkable is expected to take place in Amazon's annual Devices and Service event that is held in September. So if anyone decides to try out this new version of Alexa, feel free to post your experience down in the comments. I'd be interested to hear. Let's swap gears and discuss AI's place in the workforce, particularly AI writing tools and human writers. The question is, can the two of them coexist without destroying or replacing the other? Now, there's no way around it. AI isn't going anywhere, and a lot of people will be faced with the potential reality that they're going to be replaced. AI is fast, efficient, and it can produce a large amount of content faster than a human can. Now, with all these positives, should you just give up and find a new profession? Of course not. Though AI can create content, it is often emotionless and a bit dry. The human element is still needed. So, it's not about avoiding AI and pretending that it doesn't exist. What you should do instead is writers should use AI with the skills that they have already built in order to stay competitive. The only way to deal with AI is to use it and to understand it. Embrace the coming change and just treat it as another tool in your tool belt. Now, speaking of AI taking your job, I did create a video about this topic. I'll leave a link for it down below, so make sure to finish this video, hit the like button, and go watch that one. Alright, that's the show. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed yourself or you learned something, make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button, and tune in next week for the show. See you next time.